Hello friends, very often we have people inquiring us about whether Ayurveda has cure for diabetes, whether they can switch over completely to Ayurvedic treatment for taking care of the diabetes issue, getting them back to normal. Now the main question people have is because they have a notion in mind that modern medicine, when they consume, it requires lifelong medication, and they want to take Ayurvedic medication so that they come out of drug dependence as early as possible. Now, this assumption, this positive assumption is welcome, but we should understand the dynamics of diabetes. Diabetes needs to be addressed more at a personalized level, especially in Ayurvedic sense, since we always check the Prakriti, the Vikriti, and various other modes of examination are being practiced, and then we come to a conclusion as to how the problem has happened in relation to the patient's diet and lifestyle history, and then we suggest the medicine. Diabetology is a big ocean. We call it as Prameha in Ayurvedic terms, and Prameha itself is a big ocean in Ayurvedic text as well. We have plenty of medicines, but what suits the person in specific is very important. One size fits all approach can never be possible. Home remedies are being suggested across various media platforms. People start recommending fenugreek water, karela juice, that is bitter gourd juice, black plum seed powder, bay leaves, even lady's finger juice. So many things are being suggested, but diabetes or prameha has to be understood in a comprehensive manner. Definitely, blood sugar levels are to be monitored. Other urine reports are to be verified now and then, but that doesn't form the core of treatment response. That is an aspect to be used for monitoring purpose, but apart from that, understanding the disease in a holistic manner is very important. The treatment possibility for diabetes in Ayurvedic practice in our clinic, we give internal medicine. If required, we suggest some kind of alternative therapies as well if they have associated symptoms like muscle pain, tiredness, weight loss, nerves weakness, renal issues, urinary issues. So many other things are there, but the levels where we can treat Ayurveda based, Prameha based treatment, where we can implement is without the aid of any contemporary medical advice or medicinal treatment. We can treat up to say 220 to 240 mg per deciliter of postprandial, that is after food blood glucose readings, and fasting of up to 140 to 150. But this line, this kind of range reading, if it is crossing over to further high values, say about 300 to 400, then we need to understand the cause. The patient's prakriti or constitution and lifestyle is to be understood, and initially we can do supportive care for them, and the question of switching over completely to Ayurvedic treatment or Ayurvedic medication is possible only after periodical assessment. There are various questions among the viewers and people who follow Ayurvedic system as such, as to whether really Ayurveda is effective, Ayurveda can be depended for treatment. All these can be answered through the social media platform, through our Facebook page. We can guide you through WhatsApp as well, but seeing the patient directly will do a lot in terms of designing the treatment protocol. Hope this video has given you a glimpse of Ayurvedic scope for diabetes care. Thank you.